gonna think this girl is crazy. I may be crazy because this look is about to eat. Hey guys, it's your girl Esther and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to be doing this makeup look over here. I don't know if I'm doing it right. Yeah. Actually, this look wasn't planned. I wanted to do this makeup look by Paintedbyesther. I don't know if that's a name. Where the blush is actually the highlight of the look. Makeup turned out very beautiful. Like, I've always had this feeling of like too much blush doesn't really do good to the look. But I was wrong because Anyway, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a full detailed makeup tutorial of that look. So right now, I just came back from school. That is why my face is looking moisturized. I haven't added a single product to my face. But for you guys, I'm going to wipe it off. First, I'm going to start off by cleaning the excess oil on my face. I've got my mirror over here, so if I'm looking over this side, yeah, I don't know why, right? First of all, we want to go in with a primer, and the primer I'm using right now is a primer from Beauty. It doesn't feel too heavy on the face, so I just go in with like not too much. That is sinking to my skin. Next, I go in with my foundation. You see, it's almost finished. This is also from Beauty. Some love to use the brush, and some love to use the sponge. Whatever you're comfortable with. I feel like we all have different skin, and just use what you're comfortable with, okay? Girl, sometimes I go with the sponge and sometimes I go with the brush, just what my vibe is, what the vibe is giving, okay? Start off by putting my foundation on my skin, just to cover up the excess hyperpigmentation. Like I said, the blush is going to be doing the most, so we don't want to do too much of other excess product. So I go in and blend. Just the name foundation is the base of something. You want to make sure it's blended nice and smooth. Now that we are done with this, you can see some pores, but you can rarely see them. That makes sense. Right now we want to go in with our contour or bronzer. Use what is comfortable for you, okay? I use the e.l.f. Glow Beauty wand, which is basically contour, but I use it as a contour. I use it as a bronzer because, girl, why not, right? So this is what it looks like, and you kind of like, I kind of like just under my cheekbone, just like that, on there. And I do the same thing over here, 2, 3, and then we take the same beauty wand over the nose like this, just to kind of give our nose the contour that we need, and on this part of your nose, put a little bit over here. And this is going to be blended towards the hairline. Next, we want to go in with our brush, the bronzer brush. And what we want to do with this brush, basically, is blend this upper side upwards and this underside upwards. Like, we want to blend the bronzer upward. Blend like this. We blend it upwards towards the blush area. Same on the forehead, whereas here you want to blend upwards towards the hairline. We don't blend the nose here. We're going with our blush, liquid blush. This is actually also a liquid blush from Beauty. It has different colors, which I love. So right now I'm going to be going in with, I don't know if this would focus, I hope it does, with 2 colors. I'm going to be going in with this color. One is more of like a darker shade of pink, and the other is more of like light pink. And those are the colors we're going to be going for the blush. So I'm going to take quite a good amount and like just apply it downwards over here. Because we're going for a look that actually highlights the blush. So don't be scared to use that blush. Use the blush. I'm gonna blend the blush with a brush, and then you blend that in to your skin. Now I'm done blending, but I want more, so I kind of like just dip the brush into the blush, just like that. You think this blush is too much, right? Don't worry, just keep doing it. Blend and blend and blend, and you're gonna see. Put a little bit on your forehead too, just like that. Or like just blend it in. Make sure it blends. I know y'all are gonna think this girl is crazy. I may be crazy because this look is about to eat. So now I'm gonna go in with the light pink blush shade, and I'm just gonna apply it upwards here. We're not doing too much with the color. We just need quite a bit. With the same brush, we blend it in. This is going to like brighten the blush to the color we actually want to achieve. How are we looking right now? All of this is going to be fixed, baby, fixed. Now we go in with our concealer. This concealer is actually from e.l.f. No excess. Just like that. Here and here. And we allowed this to sit a while. Now we take a brush that looks like this, like a very tiny brush. Or if you have a beauty blender with a pointed edge, like this, you can also go in with this. I would normally go in with this, but right now I don't want to take up the excess blush that I already have. So we're gonna stick to using this brush. Go in first by blending the outer corners of the concealer, just like that. Just like that. And you blend it inwards. And then we take a beauty sponge. We take off the excess concealer. Right now, what I would normally do, but it's so voluntary, you don't have to do it. I will take a little bit of pressed powder, which is also from Macmira Beauty. Just a little to kind of reduce creases. This is also like a concealer brush that I would normally use, just to blend the forehead outward. We can already see the look is coming together, right? Then we take setting powder. The setting powder I'm gonna be using is also from Macmira Beauty. And right now I take no excess. You can pat it on your hands like this, not to just get excess off, and like just pat it in like that. Now you can see the difference. This is giving more of like creamy look, just like that. You do it to the other side. A brush I use for like my pressed powder just to get off excess. And we're gonna allow this sit for a while we blend our nose contour. This is more of like an angled brush for the nose. And then what we do is we want to blend inwards towards the area we had the concealer the other time, towards the eyelid. And with the same brush that you use for your blush, like a little bit of blush on the nose too, like that. And then we will go on to draw our eyebrow however you want to. Right now I've got like kind of like a full eyebrow. I really don't want to do much. Like I said, blush is the highlight of this look. So I'm just gonna shape it in. And I'm just gonna draw in my eyebrow in the way that I want. Now you conceal the brow. Right now I don't want to conceal, I don't want to highlight the brows. That's what I'm gonna be going in with also like a foundation. You can do this step before you even start your makeup. So there is actually no reason for me doing it right now, but I just wanted to. It's actually a really small brush. So to conceal the eyebrows like this. And then I'll take the same brush I used like for the pressed powder under eye. Just like tap it in. An eyeshadow brush. But what I would normally do is a powdered bronzer and just kind of like slick it in like that on the eyelid. It's given, baby. We're going with our powder, that blush. This is the blush I use. This color, this light pink color, and the dark, I don't know, you call it bungity. Now I'm going to go in with a small blush brush and go in with the pink shade here. And give it that blushy look that we want. I would actually do it very close to my under eye. Bigger brush and like just blend it in like that. Now we just want to add pressed powder to give it more of a finished look. Then we go in with our, I used a more setting spray. Ooh, ooh, baby girl. And while we are letting that dry, get set for the lips. The excess from your, use the excess from your finished powder. I love to like, this is to give it like the dryness that we want. Now, this is my favorite part. I'm gonna take, this is a pencil from MAC Cosmetics, the shade Chestnut. Like we line our lips. I love to overline my lips, which is why I'm going over. And then I take the same palette I used for my blush and I go in with this shade in the middle. A clear lip gloss. This is also from Macmira Beauty. It's coming together, baby. I would also love to add an highlight. Y'all can see the glow. Can y'all see the glow, baby? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Just a little. Can y'all see the glow? Because I can see it, and like just a little bit on the nose and here. And then also on the side, just give it like a little bit of highlight. So, I love the lip combo. I feel like there's a place that is not quite sticking well. Just take your pressed powder and blend it in, baby. And yeah, this is the finished look. I hope y'all love this look because I'm falling in love. This look is everything. Like, bro, I'm literally ready to go party. Like, let's go out right now. This is just to show y'all how much I love you guys. And thank you so much for watching my video. So if you like my video, be sure to click the subscription button right now for more videos. And see y'all in my next video. Bye!